Bananas. Beautiful, ripe, fresh. Apple. What do you do with those? Well, we're not going to do our muddling this time. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to get this because we're going to make a smoothie because bananas don't muddle so well as they smooth. How about that? So we're going to take half a banana and we're going to break it up into here. Put that just like that. We are going to cut some apple and put it into little chunks like that. We come over here, we get 3 milligrams of melatonin. Put that in. And we need some liquid in here, so we're going for the chamomile tea. It should be good enough. Now, what do you do with this? Well, we got the apple and banana, we got to break it up. So we're going to take this and we're going to put in our blender. And we come over here and we pop it in and all right. So why do you always go for that sort of second pulse? Because if you start blending and you just keep it going, you've got some bigger pieces that can kind of go up to the top of that vortex and not get blended. So if you stop, let all settle and then do it again, you get all those big pieces taken care of. So with that, I'm going to go for a shooter type of glass this time. I don't know that I want the martini glass. So we're going to take this. Going to pour that in there. Wow. Oh boy. This could be a meal. It's like going and getting a smoothie, but this one's going to help you sleep. You got that added chamomile, and you got the melatonin, and it's delicious. All right, I want to drink the whole thing, but I'm not going to waste your time. So make sure you come to Sleep Science today. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you tell your friends. You got a lot of work on your plate when you watch this because we got a lot of work on our plate. Together, we can make this better. We can help people sleep better. See you on the next video and watch for another Sleepytini.